advertising and media innovation. So in business, typically, there is a producer who produces something, there is a marketing activity which happens, and there is a consumer who buys. It's a simple thing. Any product, service, or anybody who wants to market something has to undergo a marketing activities, which reaches ultimately to the consumer, to a buyer. It is a simple format which every organization follows. So, what is advertising? Advertising, we should not go for jargons and all those. We should understand that advertising is form of communication. Nothing else than that. For marketing and used for an audience. It can have a viewer, readers, listeners, sometimes to a specific group to continue to take some new action. So advertising, don't go to all those big jargons and all that. It is nothing but just communication. So we communicate through various mediums. So it's a form of communication. For example, even a receptionist who is sitting in the office, and you give a call to her and she attends the call. So if she attends the call in a proper manner, she's actually, when she's communicating, she is actually advertising about that firm, about that organization which she represents. So advertising is simple form of communication. So I'll tell you a few things which has happened is that, I'll tell you old time in 90s, when in the early 90s, you can say in 82, when Asiads came to our country, and then television came for the first time in our country. So there used to be a program called Ramayana, and the entire world used to wait for this program in Sunday morning, and used to watch Ramayana. So everyone or every brand which advertised in Ramayana was remembered for a long time, because there was no other channel, no other strong medium of communication where you can find so much of target group looking into your program. So in our advertising language, we call it Ramayana brands. So Ramayana brands at that time, if you remember, people, if they're from early 90s and 80s, you'll remember that there were brands like Bajaj, then we had Topaz, we had Rasna, we had such brands which were advertised, and they understood the importance of advertising in television. So those brands understood the importance, and they got away by creating a very good brand, because they had only a very strong viewership channel, and where the program like Raman was transmitted. So this was bygone area. But when you talk about today, even if you take a simple modest figure, you will find there are currently more than 1800 permitted private channel satellite stations in India, and there are more than 190 government channels. So you can imagine what happens to a media planner when he plans. It is very difficult for him to do the permutation and combination of each channel की which channel में देना चाहिए, कौन से चैनल में नहीं लेना चाहिए. अच्छा, किसी चैनल में लिया आपने तो कौन से टाइम पे लेना चाहिए, ब्रेक के टाइम पे लेना चाहिए, ब्रेक के पहले लेना चाहिए, ब्रेक के बाद में लेना चाहिए, या हाउ डू आई डू व्हाट इनोवेशन आई डू इन द मीडिया प्रेजेंट, हाउ डू आई प्रेजेंट माय ब्रांड in these mediums which are available to me. So this is only television I'm talking about. So there are other mediums also which has the same complexities of any other medium like television. So if I'm talking about a typical marketing communication mix and advertising, if I'm advertising, I can advertising through social media, I can advertise through personal selling, I can advertise from like print and electronic. We can do advertisement through sales promotion, events, PR, direct marketing. So these are various tools which are available, and these tools have their own universe in its own. Like if I'm talking about print and electronic, in print you will have magazines, you will have journals, you will have newspapers. If you're talking about electronic, you will have televisions, you have radio. So there are, and radio, maybe you have got 10 channels. If you have got television, as I told you, there are more than 1800 channels. So there is a complexities in each and every medium which you are using. So the life has become more difficult. To create a brand is no more a Raman brand creation. It is a very difficult task to create a brand now, or to communicate or to reach the consumer. And the consumer is also utilizing or consuming various tools or various mediums in his daily habit. So he was not, earlier he was limited to television or print, but now he's got option like social media, print, sales promotion, events. So he's bombarded with a lot of mediums which he has. Now, if I take social media, it has its own, कि मैं ट्विटर में लूँ, फ्लिकर में लूँ, फेसबुक में लूँ, इंस्टाग्राम में लूँ. So there is a universe which is developing in social media. So you can imagine the media planner has to decide, or a media or a advertiser has to decide which universe and how, what are the permutation combination which can give the best result to the brand visibility and brand registration in the mind of people. So there is a challenge. So having said this, there will be a challenge. So while I go to challenges, I'll make you listen to a very old, very known, very popular song, and there is a lesson which is hidden behind this song. Okay, but before that, I'll just quickly go through this slide. So as I was telling you, there is a sender, there's an ad agency or a marketing department which is trying to send a message. Now this message goes with an innovation. The message itself has to be innovative. That is the challenge because you have to be different from others, your competitors, and usually in this world of marketing, you'll find majority of the product or majority of the services are Me Too. So when it is Me Too, so what happens is that it becomes more important for you to come out with a different innovative message for a Me Too product. Once you decided this, the next challenge is that how do I use media and how do I innovate this media? So to explain this, the message has to be different. So here I was talking about this sound bite. It's a song which says एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे मंदिर में दिया बाग में हिरन खिलता गुलाब. Now it exactly happens with various brands. Is that कि you are describing a girl. So if I say that एक लड़की को देखा तो nobody will look at me. But the moment I say कि एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब, so that's a creative expression of एक लड़की को देखा. So same way, every organization or each brand tries to communicate creatively to people. So one company has already said Khilta Gulab, but now the other company cannot say Khilta Gulab, so they say Baag Mein Hiran. So when Baag Mein Hiran is already said, then they will say Mandir Mein Diya. But they are talking about the same expression about a girl which he or she has seen. That person has seen a girl and he is describing about it. Giving you an example of corporate world is that I often give this example to people that if I go to a room and if I see a paint which has been painted as red, so I will say that this paint is from Asian Paint. You will believe in that. Next day I come and say it's a Berger paint. You will believe in that. Third day when I come and say it's a Johnson and Johnson paint, you will believe in that. Or fourth day I come and say it's Nerolac paint. You will believe in that. Reason being because after an application of a red paint is a red paint is a red paint. You cannot differentiate at all. But while communicating, you say जब घर की रौनक बढ़ानी हो तो you associate itself with Nerolac paints. हर घर कुछ कहता है when you say it goes to Asian paints. Exactly the metaphor is with this song which I said कि when I am showing or when you're talking about a girl, so I am saying कि एक लड़की को देखा जैसे खिलता गुलाब. So one company has already said खिलता gulab, but I need to creatively communicate about that. So I say okay, बाग में हिरन. So same way the challenge becomes to the advertiser, to the brand, that how do we communicate in a very innovative and a different form. So that is the challenge on the at the message level. कि message तो आपका different होना ही पड़ेगा. After you decided about the message which is innovative, now you come to the media. So when you come to the media, so media needs to be also be different because you have seen that there is a clutter, there is a bombardment of same type of media. So if you go hoarding hai, print hai, television hai, or theater advertisements hai, radio hai. So these are the mediums which are available to everyone. So now the question comes here that how do I be innovative while communicating through these mediums? So I'll give you some example and also try to explain you. So when I'm talking about media, there are existing mediums. There are existing mediums means like your television, print, outdoor, social media. These are existing medium. But now slowly people also come out with new mediums which are very innovative in nature. In both the cases, you need to innovate. So one is that you got an existing medium like hoardings, television, print, where you need to come out with something innovative. And the other is that the medium itself is innovative. So you come out with an unexpected medium and start communicating to the customers or the consumers, and you create a differentiation. So the opportunity here is that the existing medium these are the things which are available, and the different and innovative medium are created in the market thinking innovatively. And the reason is why, because there's a clutter in existing medium, there is an overdose of communication, and there's a fierce competition happening. So it motivates you to come out with innovation in media, innovation in message. So we'll talk about innovative media options available. So I'll give you in each tool some interesting examples which many corporates or many brands have come up with, and you will see that you need to start thinking like that. Okay, how innovative you can think when it comes to media. So we'll talk about print first. So I'll give you an example of IPL, and it was done by Hindustan Times. Many years back, IPL started the first season, and there was a change. There was a, you can say it was a blue ocean strategy where we came out with 2020 format, leaving your 5 days or a long innings. So we came out with the first format of India Premier League with 2020, and it was the first time. It was a big thing happening in India. There was a big show going to happen. A huge media spend was done, and every publication wanted to create a differentiation or create an impact in the market. So what Hindustan Times did in Delhi was that they did a survey in 2 lakh households, and they wanted to know from each households which is their favorite team. So if they come to me, I may be supporting the Bengal team, and the next door may be supporting the Delhi team. The front door may be supporting a South Indian team. So they got the data of such 2 lakh households, and on the first day of Indian Premier League, what they did was that they came out with a newspaper like this, which had a jacket of various teams with it. So this was a jacket which was different, but जो अंदर का अखबार था वो common था. But each of this अखबार had a different jacket, and it went to the households whose favorite team it was. Like if I was supporting Sachin's team, then in the house, this newspaper came to me with the Sachin's full page poster, full page jacket. And inside there was a timetable of the entire match schedule was given. So my neighbor was supporting the team which was Saurabh Ganguly representing. So it came to Saurabh Ganguly. So all of them did an hard work and this impact, and everyone thought that, see, Hindustan Times know me so well, and Hindustan Times is also favoring or also supporting the team which I like or I prefer or I support. So there were 8 teams which were done like this, a huge task, but this would have been possible only through print medium. What an innovation! Yes, there was a cost involved, but that cost was worthy when this type of innovation was done. This is another one. In Bangalore, in the morning when you picked up the newspaper, the newspaper was smelling like coffee. And this was an advertisement which was done by Brew Gold. So the moment you lift the newspaper and start reading, it will start smelling like a coffee. So that was the printing itself was done with the fragrance of coffee. Now this is another innovation which is called text wrapping. So when you do this text wrapping and come out with an ad like this, it is worthy. It may be costing you a little more, but it is worthy. It is more, visible than any simple 4 such ads or straight ads. See, it does the same thing to rough skin, sun damages, and age spot. This is an innovation. A single ad like this will create more impact than a normal half-page ad or a full-page ad. This was an interesting one with Clinic All Clear. So what they did from the front page, there was this hairs going, and it visited the entire newspaper, all the pages, and then there was a hair picture like this, and it was set for long, strong hairs clinic shampoo. This was for A1 Super Dust Tea. These are innovations. So it was on the first page, and on the third page, this was the creative which was made. This was a newspaper where we had an advertisement oil free. So this was for the third page. You come to the fifth page, and you come to the seventh page. A simple, nice, clean innovation in media. Dainik Bhaskar recently completed 50 years in Bhilwara. Bhilwara is known for clothes in Rajasthan. So Dainik Bhaskar brings out 204-page cloth newspaper to mark 15 years in Bhilwara. There is a lot of hard work, but it's worthy and it becomes talk of the town. If you talk about magazines, I'll show you some magazine ads. So there was a magazine which was there like this, and it was scratch. So there was the scratch itching caused by any athlete foot. So there's a medicine for that. This was introduced in the world's first borderless television, LG. So we'll talk. This was print. Then we talk about outdoor. A simple outdoor. Yeah. So I was talking about this conventional medium that which hoardings are available. So these were some innovation which was done by Woodland Shoes. See, a great infrastructure, but a smart one to be done. wear a seat belt. Fitness center. This was for a Nitco tiles, which says wood finished Nitco tiles. For strong handles, Prestige. Always the right way, DHL couriers. These are for the Berger paints. This was an interesting from Hotstar, which says Hotstar free entertainment for longer than this billboard. So they made long billboards and say इससे ज़्यादा free entertainment ये board भी जिसके कारण board भी कम पड़ जाएगा. So they created existing medium में innovation. This is an interesting one, innovative advertising radio. How radio as a medium was taken, and when I make you hear this two radio spots, you will realize that ये radio के अलावा शायद किसी और medium में possible ही नहीं था. So when you think, this is again a tip which I am giving you, when you think about any innovation, think about the medium which you are using. So please use that medium keep that medium into mind, and then come out with an innovation. It will be more impactful. So if you see the radio, so when you listen to this two radio spots, you will realize that yes, this was greatly done with a medium which I think was possible only in through radio.
विजय जी मैडम, वो आगे जो सिग्नल है ना जी मैडम, वहां से राइट ले लेना जी मैडम.
The exceptionally spacious Tavera from Chevrolet.
So this is a communication about a spacious Tavera car where there is a passenger or there is a owner of the car and the chauffeur who is driving, and there is a communication happening between these two as if it is echoing the voice. It is so long car, so spacious car. So Chevrolet Tavera car, this they used it in radio, and how radio medium was used. This was an interesting way of innovating the radio as a medium and a communication which can be innovative. The next one.
कि दोस्तों ऐसा चिपकाए कि निकले नहीं, ऐसा पकड़े कि छूटे नहीं, ऐसा जोड़े कि टूटे नहीं. ये सुन के दोस्तों क्या नाम याद आता है? जी हाँ, ये उसी का विज्ञापन है.
Now the most interesting part is that this was an awarded campaign. The interesting part is that they didn't speak about the brand, and then they just gave you the clues to reach to that brand, and everyone I'm sure sitting here have thought about Fevicol, but you could hear this sound and they're not said कि ये किस brand के बारे में है. So they are talking about
कि
this.
दोस्तों ऐसा चिपकाए कि निकले नहीं, ऐसा पकड़े कि छूटे नहीं, ऐसा जोड़े कि टूटे नहीं. ये सुन के दोस्तों क्या नाम याद आता है? जी हाँ, ये उसी का विज्ञापन है.
See how interestingly they use radio as a medium and taken it further. So when you listen to this, and you'll realize that yes, this was a very interesting medium in which they had used it, and radio was the apt medium to come out with such an innovation. So now I talk about cinema theater. You go to theater and see a lot of advertisement happening during the interval, and before the interval or before the movie start, there are a lot of ads which keep coming, audiovisual ads. But somebody did a very interesting one. This was a brand called Dhara many years back, and Dhara's proposition was that my daddy's strongest, because the chief veg earner has to be strong in the family. So Dhara feeds the chief veg earner, and they believe that my daddy is strongest because he consumes, or my mother feeds him with Dhara health oil, which is my daddy's strongest. So the whole proposition everywhere, the advertisement was my daddy's strongest. So even today people believe. If I say my daddy's strongest, this means the Dhara campaign which we are talking about. So what they did, the innovation was this: the people went to the theater and they were watching the movie, and when they were watching the movie, suddenly the lights goes off. वो जो वहाँ का electricity it goes off, and everywhere there is dark. So what happens usually? Front seaters जो होते हैं वो सीटी उटी बजाते हैं, थोड़ा टेबल को चेयर को बजाएंगे. उसके बाद everything was quiet. Suddenly on the right hand side of the speaker there was a kid's voice which comes, चारों तरफ अंधेरा है पर मुझे डर नहीं लगता because मैं अपने पापा के साथ हूँ and my daddy is strongest. The moment she says this, and there is a display of the ad in the screen. Now one such ad will create an impact of 10 other ads. Yes, it may be a slightly incremental price, but this innovation is worthy. because it has given an impact. People remember, people will remember. It will not be in the run of the advertisement which you are doing. So some interesting innovation thing which happened. So there are unconventional outdoor which are now very much into proximity and very much into market. Like, you know, you have the outdoor opportunity like this in the aisle of or in the neck of an aircraft, you can advertise. So the whole aircraft can be used for communication. A lot of such brands are doing it. This was Kurkure Express, which happened in which was done in Bangalore in South, where the entire train was called as Kurkure Express, and there was sampling done, and there was the reservation charts and everything was under the Kurkure Express. Direct mail is a very interesting format of communication. Direct mailers are the mailers which goes to a particular set of people who are limited number. Like for example, if I want to communicate to ortho doctors or ophthalmologists, so there is a limited set of people whom you need to talk. So when you have such database where you want to talk like that, direct mail is the right medium to speak. So I'll give you some example. I not go to the theory of it, but I'll give you some example. So this is an advertisement by Logis Junior in Amsterdam, which advertises and which is talking about their service, which is window cleaning service in a simple yet eye-catching way. So these are direct mailers. Mercedes-Benz came out with a mailer, an invitation card, which allowed Mercedes-Benz to demonstrate the new convertible CLK class model. Now this is an interesting one. Dainik Bhaskar launched in Rajasthan. So when they launched in Rajasthan, there was already a newspaper available in that state called Rajasthan Patrika. When they launched it, they toppled down the circulation of Rajasthan Patrika. So they became, the more circulated newspaper than Rajasthan Patrika. So they wanted to communicate to people that we are number one now. So how do we communicate? Which medium should we use? So it should go to the advertising agencies and CEOs of that community of advertising. So what did they do? So what they did, they sent a mailer like this, and there was a record inside. When you open it, it's broken. But when you join the record, it says we have broken all the records in Rajasthan. Dainik Bhaskar. So it says handle with care, record inside. When you open the record, it's a broken record. So when you join the record, it says we have broken all the records. So instead of saying in a letter where we say we are number one in Rajasthan, the other way of saying is this, which can create more impact and can be registered in the minds of people. Same way, Zee Cinema came out with movie with one interval. So they were promoting it heavily. So they have sent this to advertising agencies and advertisers with a catheter. We said, Rok Sako to Rok Lo, because this movie festival or the movie series is going to be with one interval only. So you may have to go to loo many times between the movie. This is just in case you need it, this is given to you. An interesting way of communicating about a movie or the Zee Cinema movies with one interval. This was for Chandigarh when Dainik Bhaskar launched in Chandigarh. They wanted to prove to people or the advertisers that we know Chandigarh better than anyone else, because a newspaper needs to know a town or a state where it is circulating its newspaper to know the best. So what they did, Dainik Bhaskar came out with an X-ray film where there is a map of Chandigarh. So when you open the X-ray film report, you see the map of Chandigarh and it says in the X-ray report that we know Chandigarh better than anyone else. We know the ins and out of Chandigarh. So see how innovative things can be used in communication. Now there's an innovative advertising which happens in ambient. You take help of the ambience which is available, and you create communication. So I'll give you some examples. This is an ambient advertising where you take the opportunity of an ambience. So it says it is an advertisement for a restaurant. You can eat a restaurant. This is a very, very interesting ambient advertising in a hair cutting salon. It says, which is printed in reverse, it says a good hairstyle is nothing without a head. Use helmet. Very captive advertisements in a very innovative place, but it was taken use of an ambience. This is for a stationery company which is using innovative medium. Now this is Violin Teaching Institute. So they use the wiper of the cars and just put a card there, a sheet there, which worked as a string for violin, and it says violin teaching classes. This was for Bank of Baroda, which says home extension loan. So they built like this outdoor in a very innovative manner and said, we provide you home extension loan. This was an aerial awarded communication for outdoor. So, you know, if they bang, aerial is there. Very innovative way of putting outdoor. Now this is for Virgin Airlines. They're putting in this place, say, hey, you are in window seat, bored, uncomfortable. Next time fly Virgin. This is a Duracell sticker, as if the accelerator is working on the Duracell batteries, more powerful. This was for Fevicol. This was for Ceridon. So light keeps blinking. This was a Flexi Band-Aid. This was already printed in a hazy manner, and it says, don't drink and drive. It was a liquor brand. No hair fall. So fight fall. So this was the departmental store. A hair size or hair shaped display was done, and you keep kicking it or moving it or hitting it, it never falls. So fight falls. This was for a watch company. For this is smooth, healthy hairs, silky hair, live on. And you will find kids coming with their parents and write ambience to communicate. This is an opportunity where the innovative message was done in Mumbai, where it says Coca-Cola at the office in second floor in this building. It says Coca-Cola second floor. So Pepsi came out with an opportunity of this ambience and says Pepsi everywhere. So when you talk about merchandising, it is the POP material, the point of purchase. When you see there are a lot of merchandising material, how innovation is done there. So now this is playing a very important role in creating brand image of any product. Some example of below the line activity. Below the line activity is to ensure the recall of a brand. At the same time, it highlights the feature of the product. So now this Dabbawala tie up with Saffola. So World Heart Day, Saffola tied up with all Dabbawalas in Mumbai, and they gave a sachet of Saffola in each dabba with a circular or with a leaflet saying how heart is very important. Excellent tie up, excellent initiative which was taken by Saffola. So it reaches the right people at the right time to communicate about it. So this is a very nice, innovative below the line activity. This is another one which is my favorite, is that when History Channel got launched in the country, what they did in Mumbai, in a very busy street, they made a person stand like a Gandhiji. And when he was standing, he was moving. So below was that, watch history come alive, History Channel. Very, very nicely done, very simply, a simple thought, but a very innovative one. So you have opportunity where the existing medium is there. Then we have an opportunity where you have different innovative new media where you can use technology. So when you use technology and communicate and use the same medium, then it can do wonders. I'll give you some examples. It is a new window for advertising. So I'll give you an example of refreshing technology. technology was used. Yeah. One more very interesting launch of interesting thing which was done in space. So this logo was unveiled in space by Russian cosmonauts, and I'll show you which logo it was.
Представляем официальный логотип чемпионата мира по футболу 2018 года. Начинаем обратный отсчет. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ура!
So it was for FIFA World Cup Russia 2018. What an innovative way of launching the logo in the space. So entire world looked at it, and this was a very innovative way of using technology and do that. One more example before we, one or few example before we end up. So you know how brands come alive by augmented reality, which Mahindra and Mahindra did, and Mahindra came out with a vehicle which said their vehicle is like cheetah. And how did they use augmented reality to demonstrate that? Their XUV. I think it's not working. Okay. So we come out with another one which talks about how two countries, two people, two communities, and two cities of two countries, how they got together and came out with a campaign like this.
The relationship between India and Pakistan is one that has seen a lot of lows.
It's stressful, it's tense, it seems it's not improving and it's getting worse.
It's only been 60 years that we have been apart. Before that, we were living harmoniously together.
I think all the strife would go away if you took away the Baghdad in the middle of the two countries.
It saddens me that we have this neighbor that we can't even go visit.
They have this perception which they ingrain in the head that that's the bad guy. But when they actually meet them, they realize, you know what, they're just like me.
Mainly because there's no communication. They're near us, but we have no access to them. And it's sad, because together I think we would do wonders.
People can exchange ideas, thoughts, gestures, and take away that communication gap that exists.
If I have any opportunity to go to India, I'll surely go there. The whole idea of actually touching hands, it's like communicating with each other without words, and that action speaks louder than anything else.
This is what we're supposed to do, right? We are going to take minor steps so that we are going to solve bigger issues.
It is more about, how similar we are as opposed to how different we are.
Togetherness. Humanity, this is what we want. More and more exchange.
Yeah, so very, very interesting video, the initiative which was taken. So if we have it in a nutshell, whatever I discussed and whatever example I gave, is that you can use the strength of technology in favor of brand creativity, because technology gives you an opportunity to create a lot of such opportunity which can create differentiation and innovation. It can create excitement in and around the brand. Innovation can create a lot of excitement in and around the brand. It can keep the brand alive. It can break the clutter through innovative message, communicated through innovative mediums. So your message has to be also innovative, and you need to communicate in an innovative way, in an innovative medium. So you will avoid wastage and make the campaign cost effective through technology and new mediums. So use technology as an opportunity. Thank you very much. And I hope you enjoyed the session, and you can ask me question. I'm sitting, you can throw questions on me.